Hello everyone, welcome back to Microbiology Easy Notes. As a microbiology content creator, teacher and researcher, I constantly need various meticulous diagrams, graphics, research publications, topics, data and whatnot, which is sometimes really difficult to get or take so much time to find. But few days ago, I came across a wonderful AI research assistant which could resolve all my issues. And the name of this assistant is SciSpace. This AI agent is recently upgraded to biomedical. The newly introduced Biomed agent is great help in all the biomedical fields like bioengineering, cell biology, microbiology, pharmacology, molecular biology, physiology, and genetics, etc. The upgraded biomedical add-on in SciSpace is integrated with 100 plus biomedical softwares and 150 plus specialized biological tools that help you not only analyze biomedical data, search papers, literature review, find journals, search online database, but it also search preprints. Isn't it great? To spot biomedical add-on at SciSpace homepage, go to Agent Gallery and in Browse by Domain section, you can find biomedical. Click on it. You can see list of various functions you can perform here. See, here is cloning protocol design, RNA sequence differential expression, and flow cytometry analysis, etc. There are more amazing applications SciSpace Biomedical has. It is immensely helpful in molecular biology and cloning. You can design primers, build cloning strategies, create expression constructs, and automatize CRISPR workflows. You just need to give a right prompt. Let's see the example. Here I give the prompt, design and analyze pooled CRISPR screen for PD-1 response in T cells. Let's see what happened. Wow, how fast I got the result. I received each and every step required for CRISPR screening. How cool is that? The SciSpace Biomedical is also helpful in single-cell RNA sequence clustering, cell type annotation, gene marker identification, and multi-omic integration. Let's see the example. Here I am giving the prompt, analyze single-cell RNA sequence of CRISPR perturb CD8 T cell types. Let's see what it does. Now it is making a plan how it can be done. You can get all the steps one by one. And that's it. Executed plan is ready. Not only that, variant interpretation and disease gene discovery can be easily done by SciSpace Biomedical. Variant interpretation is the crucial process of analyzing changes in a person's DNA to determine if they are harmless, disease-causing, or of uncertain significance. Let's check it. Here is a prompt, prioritize exome variants for hereditary breast cancer using ClinVar and NoMedi. Execution plan is getting ready. Here is the checklist. It is providing all the charts and diagrams. Variant analysis in a minute. This changes everything. This AI co-scientist can be a great aid for drug discovery. With single prompt, it can do ADMET prediction, drug likeness scoring, target pathway mapping, comparing inhibitors or candidates, etc. With given prompt, it gave allotinib medication and related EGFR inhibitors profile. This truly understands biology. Not kidding. Another amazing quality of SciSpace Biomedical agent is it generates high quality scientific biomedical illustrations. You just need to give the right prompt and agent will construct, revise or refine the figure based on your requirements. These images are suitable for research manuscripts, preprints, or presentations. I constructed few illustrations by giving accurate prompts. This is the image of gene cloning complete procedure. This is the illustration of luminescence reaction of cell culturing. And this is the figure of Western blotting experiment. What a clear, fine, accurate, and awesome figures generated by Biomed. This is insane, right? So, beside literature writing, reviewing, creating, analyzing, and finding research topics, these are the other amazing functions can be easily performed by SciSpace Biomedical: gene editing and molecular designing, single cell and bulk transcriptomics, variant interpretation and disease gene discovery, drug repurposing and safety profiling, functional genomics and CRISPR workflows, clinical genomics, design support, microbial engineering and expression optimization, pathway, network, and system biology analysis, and create scientific and biomedical illustration. How you can access the SciSpace Biomedical? Click on the link given in description box below. Global users, please use the code MNBIO20 for 20% discount on SciSpace for premium or monthly plans. Use code MNBIO40 for 40% discount on SciSpace for premium or advanced annual plans. Indian users, please use code MNBIO30 for 30% discount on SciSpace for monthly and annual plans. Try this great AI tool and tell me in the comment section what is your experience with it. Thank you.